again in Mahmutlar to show you a beautiful apartment in this full facility complex. So if you're ready, let's get started. Social activities here include an indoor and outdoor swimming pool, fitness, sauna, hammam, steam room, a playground for kids, and of course many more. This is a 2+1 apartment with a total area of 100 meters square. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 balconies, a living room, and an American-style kitchen. This is a fully furnished apartment and it's about 300 meters away from the beach. So for more information, don't hesitate to contact us. Wish you have a nice day.